Hello, here is Jihan Tan, and you also can call me Henry Tan. And this is a video about innovation management. Innovation is a successful exploitation of new ideas. This is words from Innovation Unity, UK Department of Trade and Industry. This is a simple description, but it is also a ramification. It seems similar with the word invention, and we often confused with it. However, invention is not innovation, and innovation is broader than invention. It can be a matter, it can be a new technology or skills, it can be new production material, it can be brand new market or rules. It also can be new management method or ideas such as mass production, lean production, Six Sigma, or Lean Six Sigma. It is more than simply introduce a new idea to public. It is the process of growing an idea into practical use. It is very important. That is why we need innovation management. Four dimensions of innovation space can be introduced. Product innovation, it is improving or modifying the current productions, which satisfies the clientele requirement or new market. Process innovation, it changes the current producing method and flow, achieving waste elimination and defect minimization. Position innovation changes the providing method for the service or product. Paradigm innovation can change organization frame. The four aspects are right. Should we consider innovation is a process, it is not a decision from C-suite. I think a good manager should not do innovation as a strategical job as a task, but to consider it is a natural way. That means innovation management should pay more attention on innovation environment creation, not try to push or pull by C-suite. But from the organization itself, that is very interesting to understand why it happened and how it happened and why we can do it in a new way. In chapter 1 and chapter 2 give us an aspect from enterprise, how they can do about innovation. We also can consider innovation from client or customer. So I read about the lead user. Lead user is a very interesting group of person. They are usually very interesting or at the leading edge of some area. And the lead user are users of product or service that currently experience need still unknown to the public and who also benefit greatly if they obtain a solution to this need. This is a definition by Eric Vohm. It seems very simple, but more than one example shows some of the environment innovation created by the lead user. They also provide direction to organizations, industry, and community innovation. Lead users are often pointer. I agree with this, but I think it is highly heterogeneity. It has potential profit indeed, but the customer are specific group of people. Normally they're not a very usual or have a good large number of people. And this leads the potential market may not as large as our imagination. It may be a nugatory expenditure since the profit cannot cover the innovation time, source cost, organization structure change cost, and relative cost. So, I think how about we think about how to find most of the customer really wants. That means most of people wants and what is they want us to do or a company to do, or create a new consuming habit. A good example is the iPhone. Before iPhone created by Apple company, no one considered straight smartphone will be the future, right? But now it is the future. They do not follow the old way, but to consider really customer needs and created iPhone. This gave us an idea. So I hope I can get some ideas after this course about how to do in the future. Thank you.